Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Android Studio has the latest SDK and Gradle. Open Firebase console and register your app. Once done, download Google Services. JSON and place it in the app/ folder. Make sure to add the Google Services class path in build. Gradle project and apply plugin in build. Gradle app. Then add the Firebase BOM and the database dependency you choose. This centralizes versions and prevents conflicts. This initial connection is critical because it creates the credentials your app needs to authenticate with Firebase. You now wire Firebase into your app code. Call Firebase app. Initialize app this in application. On create, then obtain a database reference or Firebase Firestore instance. Next, design your data model. Real-time database uses nested nodes, while Firestore uses collections and documents. Choose based on query needs. Use Kotlin data classes or Java Pojo with empty constructors so Firebase can deserialize objects. Also, batch writes and transactions when updating counters or multi-node changes to maintain consistency. You finish by implementing reads and writes. For real-time use, set value and add value event listener. For Firestore, use set and snapshot listeners or get for single reads. Make sure to implement Firebase security rules and test them locally with the emulator so you avoid open access. Also enable local persistence to support offline use and handle task failures with proper error messages and retries. If something breaks, check Google Services. JSON placement, dependencies, and the app package name first. Those are the most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.